Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am making another pot roast in my crock pot. And this one's similar to Mississippi roast, but the only thing that's different is you're not doing pepperoncinis, and instead of that you're adding an Italian seasoning packet. So it's called a 3-packet roast of the brown gravy mix, ranch mix, and the Italian dressing mix. And then I'm just gonna season my meat with some garlic powder and onion powder and sear it, get a nice crust on there, and throw it in, and I will go from there. I got my roast in the crock pot, and now I have a cup of water right here, and to that I'm gonna add my seasoning mixes. So right here I know that this is just 3 tablespoons, or maybe a little bit over, but I'm not really making a big deal about it. So I have my ranch, my brown gravy mix, and my Italian seasoning. And this is optional, but I'm just going to add a little bit of minced onion. I'd say like a 1/4 cup or so. And you're just going to want to whisk this really nicely. Okay, so I have my seasoning mixes with the water. I'm going to just pour it right over the meat. And I am going to let this cook. I usually do 6 to 8 hours, or you could do 8 to 10 on low. My crock pot runs high, but regular crock pots I usually do 8 to 10 on low, or you could do 4 to 5 on high. But for me, I'm only going to do probably 6 hours on low. And I will see you back when this is ready. Probably serve it up with some mashed potatoes and a veggie on the side. This is done. It was going for 5.5 hours, and it is fall apart tender. So I'm just going to cook up some potatoes and a vegetable, and there's a nice gravy at the bottom, and I'll be ready to serve it up real soon here. Here's everything plated up. Everything is delicious. I hope you like, share, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and I will see you in my next video.